Hello everyone. What is this? When any teacher teachers come in the class, you are supposed to stand up. So you should stand up and say thanks and say good evening or good afternoon. Stand up. Good evening, good evening. Please have a seat. I don't understand. I have been noticing from last few weeks that whenever I come and I see that you are not focusing in your learning English part. And I don't understand that whatsoever you have, why don't you practice? Without practicing, it is impossible to make yourself perfect. Am I right or wrong? So this is something I wanted to tell you. And I believe that without practicing and without focusing on your goal, it is how it is possible that you would be able to speak English. I can tell you everyone, when you want to improve your English, whatever the ideas which I have been suggesting in my classes, you are supposed to follow. Otherwise, you are not going to change, you are not going to see any kind of improvement in your English. So from now, the process which I want to tell you now, you are supposed to follow when you come to class. Most of the time, what happened in the class that all of you come first, and I come after you most of the time. So when you come before me, you have to do few things which I also have said earlier as well. First thing, that you can practice your English. Second thing, you can ask your topics and different kind of the things which I have been given to you to one another, right? Third thing you can do, that you can read a lot, because most of us are not basically from English medium background. So what will happen, we don't have that much fluency in English words and sentences. So when you read, you come across certain problems, and by reading only you can solve those problems, right or wrong? So when you read, man, so you face certain problems in pronunciation, वो आप नोट कर सकते हैं, and then आप उससे क्लास में आने के बाद पूछ सकते हैं. And when you read, you come across certain words also जिसका आपको meanings नहीं मालूम है, उनका meanings भी आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. And when you read, you may face problems in even pronouncing the words. तो वो वर्ड को डायरेक्ट आप मेरे सामने ला सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं किस टाइप का वर्ड है, और उससे कुछ सेंटेंसेस भी मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. सो देयर आर मेनी वेज टू लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, बट ये सारे स्टेप्स आप मेरे आने से पहले फॉलो कर सकते हैं, सो दैट व्हेन यू फॉलो इट फॉर फ्यू डेज, फॉर फ्यू वीक्स, you will be able to see a remarkable change. Third thing which you can do before I come, you can do in the class. There is a podium, right? There is a podium. Use the podium. Give yourself introduction again and again. Practice your self introduction again and again. Because when you practice your self introduction, whenever you go outside of a state to face interviews in different countries, first and foremost thing that you have to introduce yourself. और अगर आपके पास इंट्रोडक्शन का जो स्टाइल है बेस्ट वे का रहेगा, और इंट्रोडक्शन आपको अच्छा अगर देने आएगा, तो आप यू कैन मेक योर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन वंडरफुल. अब अपना फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन बहुत अच्छा बना सकते हैं. सी व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू इन आवर लर्निंग पीरियड. हम लोग जब लर्निंग करते थे, वैसे तो इंसान अपनी जिंदगी के आखिरी सांस तक भी सीखता ही रहता है, तो जब हम लोग इंग्लिश में लर्निंग का बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते थे, तो उस वक्त हम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ चीजें हम लोग करते थे. लर्निंग इंग्लिश, बिकमिंग फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश इन द क्लास, इट इज नॉट ओनली पॉसिबल. You have to apply sort of ideas so that you can do those things even after class, and so that you can see a remarkable change in your communication quality. तो पोडियम को यूज करिए, बार बार इंट्रोडक्शन बोलिए, ताकि इंट्रोडक्शन का मैटर कहीं पर भी आपको फेस करना पड़ सकता है और आप कभी भी अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में कभी फंसेंगे नहीं. आई हैव सजेस्टेड स्टेप्स एंड इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू यू. तो आप वहां पर उस चीज को देखेंगे और उसको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. यू कैन मेक योरसेल्फ फ्लुएंट इन इंट्रोडक्शन. तो जब आपका इंट्रोडक्शन एंड फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन अच्छा होता है, व्हाट हैपन एक्चुअली, जब आपका इंट्रोडक्शन एंड फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन अच्छा होता है तो एक्चुअली आपका कॉन्फिडेंट ग्रो होता है. एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? राइट. So when you improve your confidence, you can easily grab the attention of the public and you can easily convey your words, whatever you want to speak, whatever you want to say to the listener. So my humble request to all of you sitting here before me, that when I come or when I don't come and when you reach here earlier, avail your time, practice English, whatsoever you learn or whatever you have in your notebook, try to utilize in your daily conversation talk. And most of the time, if you want to learn English language, actually you have to inculcate certain things of English in your mind. Whenever you strike conversation, whenever you talk anything, whether it is related to your education or not, whenever you talk or whatever you talk, strike conversation in English language. Whether it is right and wrong, it is not your duty to do, to focus on these things. This is I am a trainer here. This is my duty to focus in your correction, your improvements. Your duty is to strike conversation one another as soon as possible, as much as possible, right? That's it. Do it immediately from today onwards. Okay, done everyone? Okay, will you follow this from tomorrow onwards? Okay, then good.